peeps, dit is Jenny van Disrupt Tutoring. En soos altyd is dit 'n plesier om by julle aan te sluit. Vandag gaan ons aan met die bespreking oor die verlede tyd. We continue our discussion on the past tense. In 'n vorige video, in a previous video, we talked about verbs that had two pieces which could be separated and verbs that had two pieces which could not be separated, skeibare werkwoorde en onskeibare werkwoorde. And we learned that onskeibare werkwoorde, inseparable verbs, did not get ge in the past tense. But there are a couple of exceptions which get ge at the beginning. Let's look at the sentence here, number 1. Die hoof waarsku die leerder om nie laat te wees nie. Okay, kom ons begin en ons onderstreep die werkwoord. Let's underline my verb, waarsku. Right? Let's also please remember that at the end of the sentence we have my infinitive, om nie laat te wees nie. Watch out for that infinitive which comes to the very end. Now, waarsku is a verb with two pieces, waarsku. But you can see from here that it can't be separated in the present tense because it's one word. But it's one of the exceptions that it's ge at the beginning. Here comes the answer. Ure gelede, hours ago, het die hoof die leerders. Now let's finish my sentence before the infinitive. Gewaarsku. And then my infinitive, om nie laat te wees nie. Het is my hulpwerkwoord. There's my helping verb het second in the sentence. My main verb before the infinitive with ge at the beginning. So you have gewaarsku, an exception to the rule. There are other verbs like waarsku, for example, glimlach, which becomes geglimlach, wantrou, which becomes gewantrou, raadpleeg becomes geraadpleeg, etc. that you can learn. Voordat ek afsluit, wil ek net baie dankie sê aan ons Epic Borgmaatskappy wat hierdie video moontlik gemaak het. Lees alles oor hulle in die beskrywing hieronder. Onthou om ons webtuiste te besoek vir meer van hierdie Epic studieklas video's. As jy nie die antwoord op jou vraag kan vind nie, stuur vir ons die vraag en ons sal antwoord met 'n persoonlike video net vir jou. Tot volgende keer.